Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the recorder and confirming power. Plug in for 1-2 hours or insert fresh cells so you won't interrupt a take. Once charged, make sure storage is free. 1 GB holds about 8 hours at standard quality, and identify the mic, power switch, and status LED so you know the device's feedback. Turn the unit on and watch the LED. If there's a power menu, set date and time now so files are timestamped correctly. You now configure recording settings and placement to capture usable audio. Choose high quality when clarity matters, WAV or MP3 for longer runtimes, then set mic gain or sensitivity, and test with short 3-5 second takes to avoid clipping. Once done, position the recorder 3 feet from the sound source and angle the mic toward the speaker to improve signal-to-noise ratio. Make sure background noise is minimal, and use a windscreen or soft surface to reduce reflections if needed. You press record and watch levels. Start with a firm short command so you can see peaks. Use pause for short breaks and stop to finalize each file. Once finished, transfer files via USB or remove the memory card and immediately make backup copies on your computer. If you find no sound, check the microphone switch, battery level, and that storage isn't full. If the device is unresponsive, reset it per the manual and retry. That single troubleshooting tip usually fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.